What is going on? I got another ammo box that I'm about to put together. Everything's already wired up and ready to rock and roll. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of the inside and how I did this one. If you want an in-depth video, y'all can click up there or go down in the description. I'll leave a couple videos. But all I did with this one was stick the amp on the side, ran all the wires for the speakers. I'm gonna run them to each individual hole before I screw the speakers in. Batteries in the middle with some wooden blocks. There's one here on both sides with some silicone underneath it to keep it, you know, from scooting left and right. But of course the speakers come back to keep it from sliding left and right. This is just to keep it under pressure, to keep it from moving around too much. And I got the switches on top. This is the charging port, like always. Then we got our USB, and also doubles as a voltage meter. This battery's actually kind of charged. There's an aux port right here, and there's a gain knob on top. Very simple build, very clean. End up Rhinoline and everything. So this is, you're gonna be able to throw this baby at a wall. So I'm gonna put it together and show you what it looks like. Both sides. Oh, you can barely see that. But yeah, no, she is definitely rugged. It's definitely solid. Doesn't weigh too much actually. I'd probably say about 25 pounds. Not too bad for 4 speakers and a 4-channel amp with a big ass battery. Ended up putting a 22 amp hour battery in here. But yeah, guys, this is just I don't know what kind of ammo box this is. I just know this is what he had laying around. So what I did was I cut a hole for the speaker, and I had to grind this bracket. Had cut like that much off of it without cutting into the actual box itself. So that was fun. I think they lined up pretty well. So yeah, there's that. And then, we just kept it simple, no radio. But he still wanted all the accessories like the charging port or cigarette lighter, which I use as a charging port. He still wanted the aux port, and which that comes with the amp. Usually it's white, but we ended up buying a black one. And this has a USB with the voltage meter built in just to save some space instead of doing 2 separate ones. Just put that on one switch, and of course the main power. And then the gain knob just to throw it on there, just to, flood it with as many switches as possible. We might put some stickers on here, we might not. We don't know yet, whatever he wants. But yeah, guys, this is just another ammo box for y'all to look at. I'm gonna do a separate video just for copyright reasons on what it sounds like. But yeah, no, I'm definitely happy with how this came out. So y'all stay tuned and stay subscribed, and I'll show y'all what this sounds like in the next one.